Hello and welcome to Polymerupdate. This is Simran Choudhary and you're watching Polymerupdate TV, the world's first and only TV network with the free petrochemicals news show. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sonam Clock Limited. Let's start with domestic market news. RIL has raised its deemed export prices of PPHP by 1 rupee 50 paisa per kg basic and PPCP by 1 rupee 70 paisa per kg basic, with effect from December 16, 2018. Domestic PP prices have been rolled over. Moving on to the energy and feedstock news. Crude futures dropped sharply last Friday on the back of a tumble in the US equity indices and weak economic data from China, which pointed toward lower fuel demand trends in the world's biggest oil importing nation. Brent traded at $60.28, a sharp fall of $1.17 per barrel, while WTI crude finished at $51.20, a tumble of $1.38 per barrel. According to Vandana Hari of Vanda Insights, crude futures were trading sideways early Monday in Asia amid a mixed open of stock markets across the region. Top Chinese leaders scheduled to meet over Wednesday to Friday this week for an annual economic conference are expected to agree on significant stimulus measures in view of a major declaration in the country's economic growth in recent months. Open spec naphtha prices meanwhile climbed sharply by $18 per metric ton to the $510 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Ethylene prices in Asia witnessed a drop last week. The price fall was attributed to sluggish buying sentiments coupled with ample regional product availability. CFR Northeast Asia prices were assessed down at the $855 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week fall of $5 per metric ton. CFR Southeast Asia prices of ethylene were assessed lower at the $745 per metric ton mark, a sharp fall of $30 per metric ton from the previous week. Propylene prices in Asia inched higher last week. The price rise was in line with the lift in demand trends and higher upstream crude and naphtha values. Higher downstream PP prices and limited product avails further supported the price gain. CFR China prices of propylene were assessed up at the $930 per metric ton levels, a week-on-week increase of $5 per metric ton. FOB Korea prices of propylene were assessed higher at the $865 per metric ton levels, a gain of $5 per metric ton from the previous week. Let's take a look at futures on China Dalian Commodity Exchange for today, on December 17, 2018. LLDPE prices are down by 5 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 9,065 RMB per metric ton. PP rates are lower by 1 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 8,988 RMB per metric ton. PPC prices are down by 5 RMB per metric ton from the previous settlement at 6,510 RMB per metric ton. In plant news, Puchang Clean Energy has undertaken an unplanned shutdown at its 400,000 metric ton per year PP plant located at Shanxi province in China on December 10, 2018. Polymerupdate has introduced news and price analysis on Amazon Alexa virtual assistant using Echo and other devices. The platform lets subscribers check latest news and prices just by asking Echo or any other Alexa-enabled device. This is the first of its kind on Amazon Alexa, so do read the kind of questions that you can ask to Amazon Alexa about Polymerupdate. Our special news reel today is sponsored by Gujarat-based Sonam Clock Limited, a manufacturer of various kinds of wall clocks, alarm time and LED digital clocks. The company has more than 150 distributors and 35,000 retailers across the Indian subcontinent. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It's Monday, December 17th. I am Simran Choudhary. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymerupdate. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.